All right, guys, I'm gonna show you guys something that it's gonna be life-changing for you. Yep. Here we have an engine and it's all apart. But if you can see the shiny part here, and then you see it do over here. So here how the screwdriver slides on this surface. You hear it sliding really nicely. Now let's try this one. That means that crank is bad because you hear that noise, it's dragging. It's bad rod bearings. Hope you learned something, teach you guys some stuff that you guys don't see every day. Please like, subscribe.